In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and create new documents using Google Docs. Google Docs is a powerful cloud-based word processor that enables effortless collaboration and data access from anywhere you have an internet connection. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to refine your skills, this guide is designed to make the process straightforward and intuitive. Let's start by opening Google Docs. Visit the homepage by entering docs.google.com into your web browser. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one to access Google Docs. It's quick and easy, and doing so will open up a wide array of additional Google services. Once you're logged into your Google account, you'll find yourself on the main Google Docs homepage. Here you'll see several options. For first-time users, this screen might seem a bit empty. However, as you create documents, they'll be displayed here for quick access. Spot the blank option with a large plus sign on it. This is what we will use to create a new document. Click on this icon to start from scratch with a blank document. When you open a new document, you'll see a clean, uncluttered page that resembles a classic word processor. At the top, there's a line titled Untitled Document. Click here, and you'll be able to enter a name for your new document, which will help you locate and identify it later. Now, it's time to start typing. Just click anywhere in the blank white space and begin. Google Docs operates in the cloud, so there's no need to remember to save your work as it autosaves every few seconds, ensuring your progress is always safe. Next up is formatting your text. The toolbar at the top provides various options, similar to those you'd find in other word processing software. You can bold, italicize, underline, and change the font and size of your text. Simply highlight your text and select your desired option from the menu. You're encouraged to experiment here, as exploring these settings is the best way to get comfortable with the layout. For those interested in collaboration, Google Docs makes sharing easy. By clicking the Share button in the top right corner, you can invite others to view or edit your document by entering their email addresses. You can control permissions, choosing who can edit and who can only view, making collaboration both versatile and secure. Once you've completed your document, it can be saved in various formats by going to File and then Download. Here you can select from options like PDF or Microsoft Word document, depending on your needs. To wrap up, Google Docs is a flexible and dependable tool for document creation and management. I hope this guide makes getting started with Google Docs a breeze. Remember, practice is key. The more you use it, the more proficient you'll become, opening doors to enhanced productivity and collaboration. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.